Many developers use Touch and Echo to create new projects on the terminal, but not every developers know how to use properly Touch and Echo. So in this video, I want just to show you, to teach you what is the key difference between Touch and Echo when you use it in the terminal when you create your new project with Git. As you can know, Git is a very useful tools that many developers use to track their code and save it in the remote server in the aim of saving the code. So many developers use Git commands daily in different projects, but every especially not every developer, especially the newbie, doesn't master the the use of touch and echo. In this video, I want to show you what is touch what touch can do and what echo can do. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, we start with the echo. The echo is the git command that we use as touch to create new file. When you create new file with echo, you must mandatory add content inside. Without content inside that folder, no file creation possible. It's not possible to create new file without the content. You type echo command with the text inside and your file name. So as we create and we test it, you can see we have our first file. You can also with echo command overwrite your content file. With the same file, you can overwrite that content that you had inside. So after that, you can also use touch to create new file. But the difference is here is that you cannot you cannot add content directly in the when you use touch command. Now, it's not possible, and you can never overwrite the content when you create file with using touch command. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that this video is can be many helpful for you. Thank you very much.